In this video, we will demonstrate how to detect number plates using VDO Ninja as our source. First of all, visit VDO Ninja on your device. Tap or click on Add your camera to OBS. If prompted, allow access to your device's camera. Next, select which camera or capture device you want to use. Once your desired video stream appears, click the Start button. Now all you need to do is enter the green URL into Plate Catcher. Select VDO Ninja as the recognition source in Plate Catcher. Enter the green URL from the VDO Ninja website and click Start Recognition. That's it. Plate Catcher will now process the video from VDO Ninja.
A vehicle on the alert list has been detected.
Whenever it detects a number plate on your alert list, you will be notified.
A vehicle on the alert list has been detected. A vehicle on the alert list has been detected.